tell y'all that this is the perfect snack? It's good. I'm about to make me a breakfast snack, which includes coffee and some bananas and some apples. And I don't know why I don't use my tripod because I'm always bending down. And I got like multiple tripods, which is crazy. I don't know where, oh, I was just about to say I don't know where my pink one is at, and I found it. So I have my pink one. One moment. Okay, so this is actually the one that's supposed to move when I move, but it doesn't move when I move because I haven't figured out how to hook it up yet. But I'm gonna go watch a TT video and I'm gonna figure out how to hook it up so that it can like move around when I move around. But let me grab my apples and my bananas. Okay, I need to make me some coffee. Okay. Now I'm so sleepy. Okay. So side note / story, there was a storm last night here in Texas, and oh my gosh, like the winds were almost at 80 miles per hour. I love the coffee bean smell. Almost 80 miles per hour, and it was like the whole night till like 6 o'clock in the morning, and they finally sent out the text like we about to be in the clear in 13 minutes. But it was drastic. It was like hitting the windows, and I live in one of these like new build type of homes, and I just know that these homes are not built to last, so it like stresses me out and reminds me of because I be thinking like, look, it's about to blow this house over. But we were fine. We made it through. We made it through. It's like each time that I dozed off, the storms came in with a full force, like kaboom. The thunder, the wind, blew the little trampoline, which is like a toddler trampoline anyway, but it probably weighed like 100 pounds. Blew that everywhere. It's next door. They had to break it. It blew it over the gate. Yeah, but we alive. That's all that matters. But this is my coffee. It's 65 minutes before I put the strainer in there. And so now I'm gonna dry and cut up my apple. And I'm gonna melt this time. Last time I didn't melt it, but I'm gonna melt it because I'm almost to the bottom, so I need to actually place an order to get some more. So I'm gonna melt it in the microwave, which I'm gonna put it in something else. Okay. I'm gonna melt it in here. There's a lady that comes on here talking about the things that I use to melt my stuff in. Whatever. Send me a bunch of glass stuff in so my kids can break it. But she's like, oh, you're using plastic. Yeah, that's what I have. I have plastic stuff. I have glass stuff too. Like this is literally my 4th one because I did like ramen from the 5th level. But it's like literally my 4th one because they get broken in the sink. I'm not eating the brown part. Tell me who got a cutting board and they used it. Me. But I wonder how true it is when they say the apple don't keep the doctor away. Because I'm always at the doctor. Always at the doctor. Okay, so that's in there. Those are my apples. Them are my apples. And then this is my banana. I should sprinkle some lemon juice on top of my apples so they don't turn. It says it's made from real lemons. I'm so sleepy. I need to take a nap. We about to go see Final Destination. I plan on going to sleep in the movie because I don't want to see that movie anyway. But if y'all seen it, tell me, how was it? How was Final Destination? Like I remember the other ones. I remember the one from the plane when they were on the plane, and that plane was about to crash, blow up, or go down or whatever. And he jumped off the plane. People went with him. Like I remember that one. I think that's like the only one I remember them escaping death in. I don't remember any other ones. I know I've seen multiple other ones. But look, my Dubai chocolate is almost gone, y'all. Again, this has the Dubai in it. The flavor or whatever. Well, it has it in it. Then it has the pistachios. It has chocolate chips in here. And then that stuff that they use to make it Dubai chocolate with the pistachios and the other. Yeah, it has that in there. So, and I think the base is like peanut butter though. So we gonna melt this so that it spoons better. Yeah, I'm gonna save that. That's gonna be like a that's gonna be like an apple dipper. Oh, this is the creamer that I use. I like the not like the, I love the smell of coffee. It smells so good. Right. Oh, they did well. It did good. So now we out. I'm about to go out there so I can place an order. This is why I tried to melt it some more. Oh no, it's not good. It's not good. Okay. We good. We good. We good. That's, you know. Okay. This, apples. I'm gonna just say this on apples and bananas is so good. Okay. I wouldn't steer you. I would not steer you wrong. I left a link. Okay. I left a link so that y'all can get y'all some of this. This is good. Let me give me some more of that butter. I promote them all day long. It's like I'm eating chocolate apples. All day. Make sure y'all catch my pasta video later.